Hello friends, how are you? Ready for study purpose? Okay children, let us start our next topic. Now yesterday children, we discussed that probability of any event PE is always greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. Now students, let us begin example number 4. Before we start example number 4, children, here some description is given. Let us understand that. Children, you know that playing cards, in Gujarati we call it patta. So in this playing cards, there are 52 cards which are divided into 4 suits of 13 cards. So here that you know the spades, that is kali, hearts, that is lal, diamonds means charkat or chokat, clubs fully. Clubs and spades are black color while heart and diamonds are red color. There are two types of colors, black color and red color. So that you know. The cards in each suit are ace means echo, king means badsha, queen means rani, jack means gallo, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 6, 4, 2, 8. Now children, kings, queen and jacks are called face cards. Now let us start example 4. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Meaning is deck cat. 52 પાનાની જોડી. Well shuffled એટલે ચીપેલા, ખૂબ સારી રીતે ચીપેલા. Calculate the probability that the card will be an S. S means echo and not be an S means not echo નથી તેવું card. Well shuffled ensures that equally likely outcomes. Children, we have seen for tossing a coin or throw a die. In that easily you can understand. But here little bit hard one. So you pay attention. I am sure you will understand. Now children, here well shuffled means equally likely outcomes. Equally likely, once again understand. Any outcome appears for that we don't have any reason. That means without any reason it has come. Well shuffled means વ્યવસ્થિત રીતે ચીપેલા. There are 4 aces in a deck. Let E be the event. The card is in S. પત્તાની કેટમાં 4 એક્કા હોય છે. Let E be the event. The card is an S. Card એક્કો છે. So now the number of outcomes favorable to E, 4. Meaning is what? When we are taking one card from this deck, suppose we get 10. પત્તાની કેટમાંથી આપણે જ્યારે એક પત્તું લઈએ, સમજો કે 10 મળે છે. Then we don't take it because we want S. Another way. Then second time we choose a card. At that time we are getting 2 means dugi. That also we will not take. That way we are taking one by one card. So if we are getting 1 S from 4, that we will consider. So that way how many our favorable outcomes? There will be 4 outcomes. Because we know that 4 S's, 4 एक्का હોય છે. That you know here spade, heart, diamond and club. Kali, lal, chokat or charkat, then fully. Okay children, now you understood everything. Now the number of possible outcomes 52. Why? That you know there are 52 cards. Therefore, now children, here you write formula. They have not written, but in exam you write formula. PE. So outcomes favorable to E and denominator all possible outcomes. This 2 sentence only you have to write. Then 4 by 52, 1 by 13 cancellation. 32. Now next one. Let F be the event that, what is event? Card drawn is not an S. You select a card, that card should not be S. Ekko na hoy tevu card. The number of outcomes favorable to the event F, that is 52 minus 4, 48. Why? Because 48 cards are there. 48 outcomes are there. Because 4S, 4 एक्का लेवाना નથી. Then remaining what? 48 only. Next page. Now the number of possible outcomes, 52 children. Okay. Therefore, PF, write down formula. Then 48 upon 52. Now cancellation. 12 4 52 is 13 4 12 into 4, 13 into 4. Okay. Then 12 by 13. This 4 cancel. Now children, here note. Here F is what? F is nothing but E bar. Therefore we can calculate this way also. P of F equal to P E bar is equal to 1 minus P E, 1 minus 1 upon 13, 12 by 13. Okay children, clear this? Here E bar means what? Complementary. P of E is given, then complementary of that is P of E bar. So take 13 here, 13 minus 1 upon 12, 13 minus 1, that is 12 upon this 13. Now example number 5. Children, here written that it is very easy. Let us understand. Two players, Sangeeta and Reshma, play a tennis match. It is known that the probability of Sangeeta winning the match is 0.62. What is the probability of Reshma winning a match? Children, it is very easy. Let S and R denote the events that Sangeeta wins the match and Reshma wins the match respectively. The probability of Sangeeta's winning is, P of S is already given, 0.62. That is given, children. Now P of R is what? The probability of Reshma's winning. P of R is 1 minus P of S. What is the reason why we have taken? Reason is given that events R and S are complementary. So 1 minus P of S, 1 minus 0.62, 0.38. Clear children? Very easy. So children, easy one you prepare very well. Otherwise you will avoid it or you will neglect it, that oh, this is very easy, no need to prepare it. But prepare it. Example 6. Savita and Hamida are friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthdays and the same birthday, ignoring a leap year? Now children, leap year meaning, you know, in a month of February there are 29 days. That year is known as leap year. So in leap year, number of days in a year would be 366, and without leap year, number of days 365 days in the year. Clear children? Okay. Now let us start. Out of the two friends, one girl say Savita's birthday can be any day of the year. Now Hamida's birthday can also be any day of 365 days in the year. We assume that these 365 outcomes are equally likely. Equally likely, once again I am telling you, you can select anyone without any reason, or it will outcome will come without any reason. Okay children, first one. If Hamita's birthday is different from Savita's, meaning is both the girls are having different day for their birthdays. That is the meaning. The number of favorable outcomes for her birthday is 364. Because Savita, one day for Savita, another day for Hamida. So Hamida will select her, Hamida's birthday will be different day because here it is given that different birthday. So 365 minus 1 means 364. So Hamida's birthday is different from Savita's birthday. Therefore, probability of Hamida's birthday is 364 upon 365. P. Savita and Hamida have the same birthday. So here children, understand, P of E and P of E bar both are complementary. There are only two possibilities. Either they have different birthday or same birthday. So here Savita and Hamida have the same birthday. So this event is E. So this event must be P of E bar, and for that 1 minus P of E. So 1 minus this 364 upon 365, and you will get answer this one. Okay, let us take next sum. Let us start example 7. There are 40 students in class 10 of a school of whom 25 are girls and 15 are boys. The class teacher has to select one student as a class representative. She writes the name of each student on a separate card, the cards being identical. Then she puts cards in a bag and stirs them thoroughly. She then draws one card from the bag. What is the probability that the name written on the card is the name of a girl or a boy? Okay, children, let us understand. There are 40 students and only one name card has to be chosen. Only one, children. Okay. So if the number of all possible outcomes 40, the number of outcomes favorable for a card with the name of girl 25. Why? It is given that there are 25 girls. Okay. So therefore, for probability of card with the name of girl, that is P of girl, that is 25 by 40. Total favorable outcomes, that is 40, because there are 40 students. Okay. Girl child 45. So 25 upon 40, cancellation, you are getting 5 by 80. Now children, next, the number of outcomes favorable for a card with the name of a boy 15, because there are 15 students, boy students. So here 15. Therefore, card with name of a boy is P of boy 15 by 40, 3 by 8. Now children, this 3 by 8 you can obtain this way also, 1 minus 5 by 8, because both are complementary event. P of boy equal to P not boy. So not boy means what? Girl child. So this P girl, so here you write not boy, that is 5 by 8. So you will get answer. Now children, example number 8. Let us start. Here a box contains 3 blue, 2 white, 4 red marbles. If one marble is drawn at random from a box, what is the probability that it will be white, blue and red, children? Okay, let us start. Very easy, children. First step is find out total marbles. So 3 plus 2 plus 4, that is total 9 marbles. Let W white, W B for blue and R for red. These are the three symbols to select the event. For white, the marble is white, B for the marble is blue and R for marble is red. The number of outcomes favorable to the event W, that is white marble, that is 2. Here it is given 2 white marbles. So PW is equal to what? 2 by 9. Similarly for blue, so PB equal to 3 by 9, 1 upon 3. and P are equal to 4 by 9. My children, here answer is over. Okay. Note that this is for our general knowledge. Earlier also we studied this. Now children, this addition 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, you add, try this on a rough paper, you will get answer 1. Example 9. Harpreet tosses two different coins simultaneously. One is rupees 1 coin, another is rupees 2 coin. What is the probability that she gets at least one head? Children, this word at least studied in 9th standard and in our general English language also we are using it. But for this problem or for this type of problems, this type of words are very important. Okay, let us proceed next step of this problem. Now children, two coins, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin. She tosses one at a time. Two at a time. Okay. So suppose in first case she gets for rupees 1, she gets head. Here also she gets head. Means head is showing up. Second case, suppose she is tossing both the coins simultaneously second time. Then what situation will arise is, here she will get head, here she will see T. Third one, suppose here T and here H, and in fourth case T and T. What is the meaning? If we write together here, so H, H, this will be first time tossing. In second case, this is the situation. In third time tossing, she is getting this result, and last time tossing, she will get this result. Means, as many times she tosses, ગમે તેટલી વખત તે toss કરે, possible outcomes will be these fours only. ગમે તેટલી વખત તે toss ને coin કરશે તો આ ચાર જ result મળશે. Clear children? Either this result or this result or this result or this result. Now question is that at least one head. So at least means what? ઓછામાં ઓછું એક વખત, એક કરતા વધારે વખત ચાલે. So here minimum H she is getting how many? Here she is getting one time, here also she gets one time, and here also she gets two times. But at least means what? More than one we can take. So this is 1, 2 and 3. 3 times she gets H. So our condition like this way. Let us start. The outcome favorable to the event E, at least one head, are this one. This and this written here. HH, HT and TH. Why? That answer here for why this answer explained here children. Now further let us write. Now children, second thing is very easy. Now children, here I am explaining it, but this is example number 9 children. So 8 examples or 8 different types of problems you know. So now children, sometimes you stop this video, pause this video, and you try yourself and check whether you understood or not correctly. Then you watch further video. That way you study. This is children technique I am teaching you how to use this video. First you try yourself, then you watch the video, or one time suppose topic is new, then first you learn this topic, stop the video, same problem you try yourself. Okay, now children it is easy. P of E equal to 3 by 4. Okay, this is P of E equal to 3 by 4. The probability that Harpreet gets at least one head is 3 by 4. You can also find P of E as follows. P of E equal to 1 minus P, 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Suppose at least one head. So if it is not there one head, then this is the result. No head. Okay. So no head is, that is 1 time. So 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. This is additional part, children. Okay, children. Now, example number 10, you read it because here it is star, and for star it is written that not from the examination point of view. Children, just one thing I want to share with you that like this sum, at least once you read it, particularly this type of problem they will not ask or they cannot ask. But like this sum or some changes they make in this type of sum, and they can ask in exam. So whenever this star is given, those who want to score more than 90 marks, at least they children have to read this, have to prepare this type of problems. That is my simple advice, children. Example 11 also star is given, so that also you read it. A cartoon consists of 100 shirts, of which 88 are good, 8 have minor defects, 4 have major defects. Jimmy, a trader, will only accept the shirts which are good, but Sujata, that is another trader, will only reject the shirts which have major defects. Now, children, understand. One shirt is drawn at random from the cartoon. What is the probability that it is acceptable to Jimmy and it is acceptable to Sujata? Let us understand question part, children. Now see here, children. Total 100 shirts are there. Out of this 100, 88 are good ones. 8 shirts are minor defects. 4 shirts are having major defects. Jimmy and Sujata both are traders, or simple way you can say that shopkeepers. So Jimmy accepts good shirts and Sujata rejects major defected shirts. Now children, this rejection is there. Question is what? Question is this way. Acceptable to Sujata. So she rejects major defected shirts. So acceptable means what? So she will accept good shirts and little bit minor defects are there. That type of shirts she will prefer. She will accept. Okay, children. Now here. The number of outcomes favorable to Jimmy, that is 88 shirts, and total shirts are 100 means favorable total outcomes, that is 100. So 88 upon 100, 0.88. Similarly for Sujata, the number of outcomes favorable to Sujata, 88 good ones and 8 is minor defected shirt, 96. So P, shirt is acceptable to Sujata, is 96 upon 100 and therefore 0.96. That is answer. Now today's homework, exercise 15.1, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, children. Try yourself. Fifth one also you can try. Now children, sixth one onwards we will start. Of course I will give you answer for this all 5 questions, but today's homework you try yourself. Tomorrow you correct your homework, that is self-evaluation, you do it. Okay children, thank you, bye, good day.